The feasibility and operating model of IKEA, Sweden, with SWOT, 6 Ps of marketing, and a feasibility study lens. Good morning, everyone. Today I'll explain how IKEA's model works, why it remains highly feasible across markets, and what operators must do to run it excellently. We'll cover 1. The operating model, 2. Feasibility study, 3. The 6 Ps of marketing, 4. A crisp SWOT, and 5. The operating KPIs that keep the flywheel spinning. 1. The operating model, how IKEA wins value proposition. IKEA delivers well-designed, functional home furnishings at low prices through a tightly integrated system, flat pack design, self-service retail, and scale procurement. The result is a compelling price design equation for first home buyers, renters, families, and students, plus a growing base of repeat, whole home projects. Store journey and format. The signature one-way showroom path inspires room-by-room ideas, then funnels customers into the market hall accessories and self-serve warehouse pickup. Ancillaries such as restaurants, Swedish food market, click-and-collect bays, and as-is areas increase dwell time, conversion, and margin recovery. In dense cities, smaller planning studios and pickup points extend reach. Assortment architecture. Ranges are engineered for democratic design, form, function, quality, sustainability, low price. Modular systems, e.g. wardrobes, shelving, kitchens, support project selling and attachments. The flat pack philosophy reduces shipping cube, damage, and storage cost, enabling everyday low prices. Supply chain, global sourcing with long-term supplier partnerships, standardized components, and packaging efficiency. Regional distribution centers feed stores and e-commerce. Larger stores increasingly act as fulfillment hubs for last-mile delivery and parcel shipments. Services and ecosystem, design and measurement, assembly/installation, often via partners, finance options, and growing circularity programs, buyback/resell, spare parts, deepen loyalty and reduce returns. 2. Feasibility study, can the model scale and where? Demand drivers. Urbanization and small space living push demand for modular, space-saving solutions. Affordability needs during high interest rate or cost of living periods favor value retailers. Life stage events, moving, marriage, newborns, students, create recurring, predictable demand. DIY acceptance enables the self-assembly trade-off for lower price. Competitive landscape. IKEA competes with specialty chains, big box home improvement, local carpentry, and DTC e-commerce. Its moats, design to cost, flat pack logistics, showroom inspiration, global scale, and iconic brand trust. Site and network feasibility. Blue box flagships require high-traffic suburban plots and truck access. City studios and pickup points backfill coverage. A balanced network mixes destination stores, high conversion, strong food sales, with urban satellites, planning, quick missions. Unit economics, 4 levers. Comp sales, traffic plus average basket via room sets and attachments. Margin mix, core furniture plus higher margin accessories plus food plus services. Operating leverage, labor productivity via self-service, standardized planograms, energy management. Inventory productivity, turns per GMROII through flat pack density, forecasting, and store as fulfillment. Risk and mitigation, supply shocks/FX/commodities, hedge and multi-sourcing, design substitutions, last mile cost and damages, route orchestration, parcel versus two-man delivery rules, reinforced packaging, sustainability and regulations, invest in circularity, eco-materials, compliance by market. Experience gaps, more wayfinding help, digital queuing, and assisted selling for kitchens, Josh wardrobes. Conclusion, the model is highly feasible in both mature and emerging markets, provided operators protect availability, price trust, and end-to-end project execution. 3. The 6 Ps of marketing at IKEA. 1. Product Scandinavian-inspired, modular, and flat-pack ranges, good, better, best ladders, durable basics plus seasonal refreshes, spare parts, and circular services extend product life, projectable categories, kitchens, wardrobes, storage, kids, workspace, small space living. 2. Price. Everyday low prices achieved via design to cost, scale buying, and flat pack logistics. Entry price points anchor perception, bundles and project quotes for kitchens/wardrobes. 3. Place flagship stores as inspiration plus fulfillment nodes, city studios for planning, pickup points, strong e-commerce and click and collect. Stores double as last mile hubs to compress delivery time and cost. 4. Promotion. Room set storytelling, digital content, workshops and event spikes, seasonal storage, back to school. Owned channels, app, email, family membership, drive personalized offers and cross-category missions. 5. People cross-trained coworkers in design, planning, and project selling, safety and customer care culture, partnered installers/assemblers with tracked SLAS and feedback loops. 6. Process standardized planograms, self-service picking, cycle counts, and lean replenishment. Order management, SLAS for BOPIS and delivery. Damage/returns, root cause routines, continuous improvement via A/B, tests on room paths, queue systems, and last mile options. 4. SWOT, operators view strengths, global brand with cost leadership through design, flat pack standardized components. Stores that both inspire and fulfill, boosting conversion and attachment. Broad ecosystem, food, accessories, services, and circular programs. Weaknesses. Self-assembly friction for some customers, perceived complexity of the one-way path, big box real estate costs, long lead times on certain global SKUs, limited high-end customization versus local carpentry, opportunities, city formats, and micro-fulfillment to win proximity. Project services, design/installation/financing to raise ticket and loyalty. Circular retail, buyback/resell, refurbishment, and spare parts monetization. Digital planning tools and AR for small space design. Threats, freight and raw material volatility, pressuring low price perception. Agile e-commerce/DTC brands eroding categories like mattresses or decor. Product safety, sustainability, or customs regulations by market. Last mile costs and urban delivery constraints. Operating playbook. What great looks like in stock and presentation. 95% in stock on SKUs. Room sets tell clear project stories. Attachment discipline, bed, slats, mattress, pillows, linens, wardrobe frame, doors, interior organizers, lighting, path and flow, optimize one-way path, shortcuts for mission shoppers, signage reduces cognitive load, omnichannel SLAS, click and collect under tight windows, clear delivery options, parcel versus two-man with scheduled slots. Services engine, fast design appointments, transparent assembly installation pricing, proactive parts replacement. Circularity, visible buyback areas, as-is rotation, repair parts kiosk, safety and shrink, MHE certification, damage hot lists, packaging audits, monitored exits. Run it by the numbers, KPI stack, sales, comps, average basket, conversion, sales per square meter. Merch, gross margin percent, attachment rate, accessories mix, returns/damages percent. Supply chain, in-stock percent, fill rate, OTIF, inventory turns, cost per delivered order. Operations, labor productivity, shrink percent, safety incidents, BOPIS, wait time. Customer, NPS OSAT, design service utilization, delivery on time percent, circular take-back volume. IKEA's enduring advantage is a system, not a single product. Designed to cost plus flat pack logistics, plus inspiring stores, plus efficient self-service, plus reliable services. The feasibility case is strong wherever households seek quality at low prices and are willing to trade some convenience, self-assembly, for value. Protect the flywheel, availability, price trust, project execution, and last-mile reliability, and the blue and yellow box will keep turning first-time shoppers into lifelong fans profitably and at scale.